Bienvenidos a la comida de Jeremie. This is Black 8 Day 18. Bienvenidos a la comida de Jeremie. Today is Vlogmas 18.
Oh.
Bienvenidos a la comida de Jeremie. Today is Vlogmas number 18.
Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. So, as my mom said, it is day 18, and today I'm teaching you guys how to make another pizza. So today I'm teaching you guys how to make a barbecue tempeh like barbecue pizza. I've actually shown you how to do this on my channel before, but that recipe was a little bit different. I actually wanted to recreate a Instagram post that I made when I first started making posts on lacomidadejeremie on my Instagram. So that's what we have here, and it is so freaking good. I actually just finished editing another video, so like now I can actually eat again. I was like starving. I also tried something new. You guys saw that I bought peppers the other day. I'm not really into like veggies on pizza. Like I just never have liked veggie pizza, but I'm really trying to incorporate more vegetables into my diet and get them where I can. Like this weekend I ate a lot of salads and those kind of things. So I am trying, okay? So don't judge me for eating another freaking pizza. We added veggies to it. So I did add green peppers this time around when I made this recipe. I also made my own ranch. This pizza is so freaking good. So I made barbecue tempeh last night with some mac and cheese and some coleslaw, and I had a ton left over. So as I was going through my old Instagram posts, I kind of like to remake things to see if they are actually as good as I remember them to be, if I can make them better. And sometimes I don't really share the recipe with you guys and I just share a photo or something, but it's because I'm cooking for myself, so sometimes it looks pretty and sometimes it tastes good, but sometimes I want it to taste even better and like phenomenal before I share a recipe with you guys. So if you guys ask me for a recipe and I don't give it to you guys, it's probably for that reason, that I just want it to be perfect before sharing it with the world. Because I mean, these recipes, once they're online, I mean, they just go like with whoever sees them, and I just want whoever makes them to enjoy it as much as I do. So if I don't enjoy it the first time around, I know that I can make it better for you and for me. And when the recipe is posted, I know that whoever shares it with anyone will have the right, correct recipe that actually tastes freaking delicious, like this pizza. So, just a quick life update. It's currently Wednesday, actually. So we're coming down the home stretch. I really suck at crossing the calendar out, but we're on Wednesday, so tomorrow's Thursday, and then Friday is gonna be a little bit of an early day because we're leaving work early. And then it's my friend Iris's like last work day, and she's actually moving away, so we're gonna spend the day with her and do some fun stuff for her like going away extravaganza. So that should be exciting, because I know the vlogs for the past couple of days haven't been the most exciting because I've just been like home and not really vlogging. So those should be fun. I'm also going to a holiday party tomorrow. It's actually like a cocktail party. So we shall see what that's like. I don't know if I'm gonna stay very long because I don't know, guys. I've just been so exhausted. I just want to sleep and relax so bad, like you don't even know. I'm just so excited for vacation because I just want to relax and not have to think about work, not to think about people, just think about nothing. Like, you ever just miss being a kid and being able to just play and relax and not have any real life problems or worries? But you know, welcome to adulthood. But yeah, and please know that in these videos I'm not actually complaining. I really do enjoy my life. I love everything about my life. I am pretty privileged, so I'm not taking anything for granted. I just really am exhausted. It has been a very long year with many changes and just like a big like learning experience in many different ways and many different aspects. So I just need a break, honestly, and I cannot wait for that break on the 21st through January 2nd. So really quickly, I wanted to show you guys what Arrow got me. He picked me up some vegan cream cheese, and normally it's $2.99. It's the Go Veggie brand, and it was on clearance for $1.49. Y'all, you guys know us. We love our Kroger and the yellow stickers. But he got me 2 of those, and it's funny because I was actually gonna buy some the other day. He also picked me up some deodorant because I needed some, and this one was on also clearance at $1.99. This is the Tom's brand. I've had this only one time before and I enjoyed it. I'm still trying to find like the best deodorants and like colognes and like products that worked really well for my body, that are cruelty free, vegan, plant-based, and like good for the environment. So if you guys have any recommendations, leave them down below. I'm always looking for new products and ways to better myself and the things that I bring into my home. So yeah, in any case, let's teach you guys how to make some barbecue tempeh, vegan blue cheese, marinara sauce, red onion, green pepper with ranch pizza that is just so freaking delicious. And I hope you guys make this because bomb. Alright friends, I'm about to eat another pizza, and then I'm gonna pack it away for lunch tomorrow, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth and go take my booty to bed because it's getting kind of late and your boy needs some rest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas video. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'll take you along the Christmas festivities for the next 3 days, and then it's finally Feliz Navidad and the end of the vlog. So let's go out with a bang, and I'm gonna try to be more creative for the last videos. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you guys try it out, make sure you guys post a photo to Instagram, tag me at lacomidadejeremie, and also hashtag lacomidadejeremie so I can see it. Also, if you guys have been tagging me, because some of you guys have messaged me saying that you've tried my recipes, you post a photo. If your page is private, it will not notify me that you guys tagged me. So if you want me to see your photo and your page is private, you can also message me on Instagram. So just send me a private message and with the photo, and then that way I'll be able to see it. But if your page is private, then I can't see it, unfortunately. So yeah, another way for you to show me your creations is through DM. So be sure to do that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get our Z's on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye. Another pizza.
Abro mi variedad de cuentas de tanto lo que yo tenía. Y no me sirve. Esta camisa me sirve.
All the people are gonna hear my video of you talking.
¿Ah?
All the people in my video are gonna hear is you talking.
Ay, Jeremie. Say, how many bad words my mom said? ¿La grabaste?
Este sí que sabe rico. Yeah.
Avanza que se acaba de ver.
The pizza is really good.